how to go live on Instagram. Firstly, you need to launch your application. Then, if you get right here into your profile selection, you need simply to tap on your right upper side on the first selection with that plus icon. Just go for it and simply click on the sixth place, which is live. Go for your live session, and from here, guys, you can now get and start your live section. Firstly, if you tap right here, and also you can go on title section, you can add title, you can add how you can get your privacy system to, as you can see, you have public and or practice section, which you can get it or set the audience. And after you get done with all that stuff, you can also take that live session, but it will be scheduled. Or if you want to simply start it right now, you simply click right here, and the live video first it needs to be check the connection and the live section or the live on it is on your site right now.